Namaskaram to all of us in the US. Clearly, we are all from India, but our heart is everywhere. So, Pyramid Meditation Channel. Jora ke chappale, zordar taliyan, andar ki chapatlu. So, this is the great project of Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji to take PSSM, the vision of PSSM, to the whole world. That's through PMC. We have always had pamphlets, we have had magazines, we've had different ways of distribution of information. And Patriji, the mastermind behind PMC, found a grand way in 2017 to take. And actually, this was a very long time ago. I want to share one small story that happened with Patriji. So we were in Delhi in our house. So sir was relaxing. He was watching TV in front of him. So generally, we were obviously watching cricket or some news that was happening in front. And from the back, sir just was going into the room. He just tapped on the back and he said, you know, one time we'll have our own TV channel. Everyone will watch. This is exactly what he said, and we were looking at him. This is 2014-15, and we were all like, one master also said, sir says very miraculous visions. This is all just a vision, great vision, but vision. And 2017, 2018, we see PMC Telugu. 2021, we see PMC Hindi becoming a satellite TV channel. And that is what PMC is, and many of us have come through PMC by watching a video, by an experience sharing, by Patriji's message, by Patri ma'am's message. All of us have come into meditation, and that's the power of media. And tomorrow I'll be sharing a bit more about what we are doing in PMC Hindi, because in south of India, PSSM came first, then PMC came. However, in North India, PMC came first, then PSSM. So a lot of people are given information on what PSSM is, because everyone thinks PMC is PSSM. PMC only exists. So everyone is giving information of PMC is PSSM. And along with, yes, being a 24/7 TV channel, we have a team of 50 people working out of New Delhi, which is our national office. All of us sitting here are all requested, please land in Delhi. It's the capital city of India. You must land in Delhi. You will find in the mid of South Delhi, middle of Delhi, our own PSSM office, 2-floor office with 2 studios, 50 people doing meditation, practicing meditation, and doing pyramid meditation in the office. That is the beauty. That's what Patriji said. Patriji told me personally, we're going to have 1,000 people working in PMC Hindi. And right now we're 50 people catering to 5 crore people through our satellite TV. Let's talk maths, okay? Let's talk proportion, okay? This Patriji is all about maths, right? Dhyan jagat kaise hoga? It's all math. Now if 50 people are working for 5 crore people, okay? Are we all on the same page? If 50 people are working for 5 crore people, which we are distributing right now too, now 1,000 people will reach out to how many? 1,000 crores. That means those many people we are already tapped into. So zordar taliyan, because we're in Hindi channel. That is Patriji's vision. When he means it, he talks numbers and he talks proportions, and that's what we are all doing. First is, yes, we are a TV channel. So we have divided this for everyone's understanding. Can we all say it together? Dekho, Sikho, Bato. What is Dekho? Dekho, Sikho, Bato. What is Dekho? Dekho is watch. What are we going to watch? 24/7 TV channel. So it's there on Tata Play, Jio TV, through Fastway. These are all networks in India. Tata Play is the #2 network in India. And PSSM, Patriji is there in everyone's homes. We have a show called Hello PMC where people call us every day. Patriji has gone to Northeast India maybe once, twice, thrice. But people there watch Patriji daily. And we get calls from Northeast India saying, "Hi, मैं इम्फाल से बात कर रही हूँ. Hi, मैं नागालैंड से बात कर रही हूँ. मैं दो महीने से, from 2 months I've been watching PMC. I love it. I love Patriji. Can you please tell me, I am meditating also. I have some doubts about meditation." These people call us live. Rural India, we are reaching out to. Patriji is reaching to rural India. So that's the beauty. Meditation is reaching. So that's Dekho. We have 60 plus TV shows. 60 plus TV shows that are catering to kids. So we have shows like Masti Ki Pathshala. I'm sure a lot of people must have seen it. Masti Ki Pathshala. Then for pregnant women, Divya Garbh. Then couple show, Sansar Mein Nirvan, where we have like fun rapid fire rounds for, so that everyone understands that spirituality is a way of life. It's enjoyment sciences. So next is Sikho, because a lot of people, like South India, there's so many centers. That's why PMC Telugu just has to be a TV channel and everyone will broadcast. There, no one knows about meditation. People have to be taught meditation. So we have meditation programs, 21-day meditation programs. Like we have PSSM USA has so many regions like that. PSS, North India has like, each state has their own PMC. Each one is doing a 21-day, 40-day program. So that's Sikho. So that's Master Bano. You must have seen Master Bano. And Master Bano training program. So basically teacher training program in Hindi. So anyone is interested in Hindi language, I think everyone's English or Telugu. Anyone's interested in Hindi, please reach out. Anyone wants pamphlets, wants brochures, whatever, distributing into Hindi language is very easy. You just have to download it. That's Sikho, okay? Bato is, we're reaching out to schools, colleges, jails. Right now, Bhopal Central Jail, Navsari Central Jail has PMC Hindi playing on it 24/7. A jail has a TV channel playing 24/7. We have clinics playing PMC Hindi on TV 24/7. That's what the work of the channel is. Patriji, when he said, Patriji ghus ke har ghar mein ghusenge, when sir said, hum har ghar mein ghusenge, what does he really mean? People won't let you enter their houses. The most easiest way to reach a house is through TV. Just switch on the TV, whatever gyan you wanted to tell them outside, they will tell you on TV. Basic to basic, advanced to advanced. So that's Bato, so schools, colleges, corporates, jails, Gaon, Grameen. So we have trained a lot of people to go on ground and teach meditation. So that's PMC Hindi. We're not just a TV channel. We're also spreading meditation, bringing PSSM's vision to whole of India, other than the 2 south states, 3, 4, 5 south states. Other than that is North India. And that's the work that we all must do it together. Lot of masters are working for this vision. We're all collectively, group effort, group consciousness are working for the great purpose. One last announcement. After our amazing MMS 2, we have an amazing Mahayog Dhyan Kumbh Rishikesh, 16th to 20th of October. It's a 5-day festival that's happening by the banks of Ganga. This is the 7th time we're having this festival. The last time we had in 2021 with Patriji. This time we have it with Patri ma'am. And a 5-day mega festival, 5 days right by the river Ganga. 10,000 people are expected to come this time. So that's amazing. So after this, the next chills, after MMS 2 chills, we'll go to the next chills. That's Mahayog Dhyan Kumbh Rishikesh. Thank you.